Alright, we let me kick the orbs and it went right straight to me. Good. These orb. You could be thank you for 13 months. I'm sorry, welcome back to 13. Jay, welcome back. Thank you for 10 gifted. Oh, Soul was so good, man. 입 다물어야 돼 근데. 하고 새로 습관 생김. I have a new habit now. I keep doing this now when I'm like struggling, trying to find my bear with vocals. I like flick my fingers now. I don't know why. I don't know where it came. Tick number 2 unlocked. This song goes so hard live. And the portal went psycho. Whoa, those fills are... Oh my... Oh my, I'm getting goosebumps. Oh, listen to those fills. And I'm like just dead. I'm out of energy. Oh, bruh. 근데 드럼 친구 너무 잘하지 않아요? 관객? 너무 그거 너무 재밌었어 나도. 아 너무 재밌었어. Wait, how was day 1? I haven't seen it yet. Oh, this is an HD. This day, dude, look at my fingers. I'm like doing this the whole time. Dude, thank you for the fan cams. Also kept taking off and putting your gloves back. Oh, because my sound was going crazy. Because I was trying to take my gloves off so that I could, like, my pack fell off, my ear fell off. It was crazy. Every time you see me take off my glove, I'm fixing a technical issue. Yo, hi Melody, thank you for the 1,000 bits. 너무 행복했다. Yo, Reese's, thank you for the 33 months. That's high as shit. Oh, saving the rain? So I tried this the first day, and it was fun, but dude, the second day, the fills just felt so much better. Yo, you can see my veins in my neck. Look at the quality on that.
But I definitely.
Saving the rain. Eej. Yeah. Am I down? Why do I do that? That's so dumb. Wait. Do I actually do that? Why am I not going down for the second one then? I should do the first one up there so everyone knows how to play. Okay, 다른 거. Dude, Seoul was so fun. I mean, all the cities were really fun. Listen to this. I remember this being insane. 난리 났어 그냥. Dude, what the fuck? 난리 났어 그냥. Yeah, that was something. I heard the lights. I heard the lights in Seoul were like really, really pretty. Yeah. You look like you were having fun, dude. I was having a blast, dude. Wait. This was crazy. Oh my. Yupei Boni, welcome back for 33 months. Prez, welcome back. Thank you for the prime. Let Type B, thank you for 31 months. Type Yam, more 20 months. How am I supposed to give you a birthday gift now? Well, you're gonna have to unpack those packs yourself. Yo, Marvy, welcome back for 22 months. Mimi Yan, welcome for 7. Hi Melody, thank you for the 1,000 bits. This ad lib right here is crazy. Okay, it doesn't do it justice. The video doesn't do it justice, but it was so sick. Dude, everyone just went crazy. What a sick show that was. That was a cool show. 솔직히 다 재밌었어. All the shows this tour were so good. It was so good. Everyone was jumping, having a great time, bruh. It was some crazy shit. Lennon? Oh, I feel like Seoul had the best fan cams. They probably one or two. 두 개 다? I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking dead. Bro, this is how you're supposed to enjoy a concert. Honestly, I'm so happy you were there. I'm so happy you got to enjoy the concert like how you wanted to enjoy it and you didn't give a fuck. I thank you. Thank you for being you and just having the best time that you wanted to have. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Holy shit. Wait, I respect that so much. 그냥 진짜 다 놓고 놀아. Bro, oh my god. Yo. Wait, okay. Are they in chat? Yo, next time I'm in your city, I have you on tickets. Oh my god, I have you on tickets. For real, I do. Okay, just remind them next time they're in chat, I have you on your ticket and your plus ones. Oh my, yo. You do your thing and you have fun, man. Fuck it. Wait, can we? Wait, compare 자, 한국, Seoul. 아 너무 행복해 진짜. 아 진짜 이런 분들 내 공연 와줘서 진짜 너무 고마워 진짜. Dude, Rainy, seriously, I have you on your tickets and your plus one for the next show that I'm playing in your city, man. Thank you. I respect this so hard. Holy shit. I know it's funny, but it's also like, damn. Like you really came to like enjoy yourself, and you enjoy yourself. Holy shit. Wait, wait, yo. I need to retweet that. Holy shit. Can someone add that at me? Yo, someone add that. Wait, I'm gonna send this to myself. Oh, 진짜. Yo, can someone just clip this? I'll play him. I'll play him as a comparison real quick. This was so good. Okay. Enemy Soul. Enemy Somewhere Else. Oh yeah. Wait, this was fire. Look at this. This is mosh pit. I'm not even there. Like the most wholesome mosh pit you'll ever see, but it's fun. And I'm like over here somewhere. This is lit, no? Lit banget. Indonesia. Dude, it's a big circle. I know, it's fire though. 약간 강강스러운 느낌. 모싱 되게 착한 모싱. It's fire. That shit looks fun. You know what I mean? It's like a good time. Oh my god. 카크? 이틀? No. Let's see car crash. Car crash, Seoul, day 2. day 2 없는데? Recently uploaded. Oh, this one. Ow. 너무 행복해. That's Yuko. That's joke. That's joke. That's